Welcome to Veloce and Motoren. We make videos about Formula 1, Formula E, hypercars and planes. And today I'm going to talk about the last race of Formula E and a disaster. So about the recap, the last race was in Paris, France, if you don't know geography, and the race was a disaster. So there were 7 crashes and most of them flipped the car over. The whole race was messed up. In the last race, we got Robin in first, Andre in second, and Daniel in third. So Andre got second, and his teammate got 11. So that's a big difference. Vision, that's the racing he's racing for, is not gonna really keep up. So for the predictions, Audi might win always, he might win this year. Except that this year might have more crashes, so a little bit more exciting on the races. And for God's sake, let Jaguar win the time. They don't have any podiums, they only have 1 win. We all accept a very boring season, but this time there is more crashes and more exciting. So I think this is the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.